Hey guys, welcome back to another beautiful day in YouTube land. So we got this brand new $500,000, no, it's $500. This $500 Acer laptop that we just got on eBay for $500, obviously. So look, if we turn this thing on, this is a tech review, obviously. So if we turn this thing on and let this slow guy hurry up. This is the brand new Acer. And if we turn this thing on, yippee, it doesn't, here, I know what fixes it. Look, if you put this thing on the ground, look, no, this fixes it all the time. Look, wait, hold on. Wait, doesn't like water fix it?
Yeah,
or is that rice?
It's rice and water.
So it's water?
Yeah.
Oh. So this will work, right? Will this work? I think it's working. All right, let's try to turn it on now. Look, it's not turning on.
Watch it.
Wait, look, guys. Guys, look. I think it needs more water. It's not seeming to turning on right now. Let's just wait for this thing to work. So if we just let this sit here, I'm pretty sure, and wait several hours for this to work, it should work. Okay, bad news, it's not working yet. Jace, you should turn the water off. All right, let's see if it works now, guys. Let's put it on our brand new stand. Ready, guys? Turning it on. Ah, you piece of junk! I should have never trusted this stuff! Ah! Turn off this stuff! No! Push all the time! Alright, moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Does it work?
Nope.
No! Doesn't work! Piece of junk! Oh, look, a battery! Guys, why'd you do that? Is it working yet? Don't think it's working though.
Let's see.
All right, guys, I think we're getting somewhere.
Look at this piece of junk. Not working.
Look. Hey, look. See that camera right there? What do people use this for? Guys, look! I got a new laptop. It's curved screen. All right, wait. If I'm right, I think this will work now. Let's see if it works. Let's see if this works now, guys. Just bend that back right there. Ready? And that is how you fix a computer, guys. This is Dr. Lee, the best content creator of all